Welcome to Love Garden Care, where every flower is nurtured with love and patience. I share simple, natural tips to help you care for your plants at home. Whether you're new or experienced, you'll find joy and peace in your little garden. Today, I'll show you an easy but powerful way to care for Anthurium plants, keeping their leaves green, roots strong, and flowers blooming all year long. The first ingredient I'll use today is 3 fresh garlic cloves. I peel them, slice them into small pieces, and place them in a clean glass jar. Which country are you watching this video from? I'm so happy to welcome you to Love Garden Care. Please leave a comment below. Next, I'm using charcoal powder. I add 1 spoon of charcoal powder into the glass jar that contains the garlic. I pour about 1,000 milliliters of boiling water into the jar, then close the lid and stir well. Finally, let it sit for about an hour so the nutrients from the garlic and charcoal can be fully extracted. The second ingredient I'm using today is rice. It's a common ingredient in every kitchen, yet it's truly like gold for our plants. I add 3 spoons of rice into the glass jar. Next, I'm using an aloe vera leaf. I cut the aloe vera into small pieces with scissors and add them to the glass jar with the rice. Aloe vera provides nutrients that help roots grow faster and stronger. It also keeps the leaves glossy, maintains natural moisture, and protects the plant from fungal diseases. I pour about 1,000 milliliters of boiling water into the jar, then stir well to dissolve all the nutrients. Using boiling water is very important because the high temperature softens the rice husk and releases valuable nutrients such as vitamin B, starch, and trace minerals, making them easier for the plants to absorb. Finally, I close the lid and let it sit for about an hour so the nutrients from the rice and aloe vera can be fully extracted. After preparing the solution, I start checking the condition of my Anthurium plant. As I look closely, I notice that the flower has lost its bud and the leaves are overcrowded, making the plant look less attractive. So, I use scissors to trim the plant. The purpose is to give the plant more space, allowing it to focus its nutrients on growing new, healthier leaves and flowers. After 1 hour of steeping, I take out the jar of rice and aloe vera, then gently stir to dissolve all the nutrients completely. Besides Vietnamese, this video is also dubbed in other languages such as English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, Dutch, Polish, Italian, and Indonesian. You can easily switch languages in the video settings. Next, I strain out the residue, keeping only the clear liquid. A natural concentrated essence rich in vitamins, minerals, and antibacterial properties from rice and aloe vera. Next, I add 1,000 milliliters of clean water at room temperature and stir well. The purpose is to make the solution moderately diluted, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients more easily without harming the roots. Step 1. I use a soft cotton ball soaked in the rice and aloe vera solution. Then gently wipe all over the red Anthurium leaves, both the upper and lower surfaces. When using the rice and aloe vera solution to wipe the leaves, the natural enzymes and nutrients in these ingredients provide mild antibacterial and antifungal effects, helping to repair damaged leaf tissues. Aloe vera contains compounds such as alone and polysaccharides, which strengthen the plant's resistance, promote cell regeneration, and protect the leaves from fungal or pest damage. Meanwhile, rice is rich in B vitamins, especially B1, B3, and B5, as well as minerals like magnesium, zinc, and plant proteins that nourish the leaf surface, keeping it healthy and glossy. The starch and vitamin B1 from rice penetrate the leaf surface, stimulating cell growth, making the leaves thicker, smoother, and able to retain moisture longer. Rice water has a mild pH that helps remove dust and stains without damaging the leaves, while adding a natural shine as if polished with nutrients. Step 2. I pour the rice and aloe vera solution into a spray bottle. Then mist it evenly over the entire red Anthurium, from the leaves and stems to the exposed roots and around the pot. Spraying this solution is not just a simple care routine, it's a natural recovery therapy that helps the plant stay strong and grow steadily. Aloe vera has mild antibacterial and antifungal properties that protect the leaves and roots from fungal infections, especially during humid seasons. The enzymes and nutrients in aloe vera help regenerate plant cells, repair damaged tissues, and keep the leaves fresh and healthy. Meanwhile, the B vitamins, proteins, and natural starch from rice nourish the leaf tissues, stimulate new root growth, and make the leaves thicker, softer, and shinier after each spray. Spraying the rice and aloe vera solution 2 to 3 times a week will keep your red Anthurium healthy, with strong roots, glossy leaves, and vibrant blooms all year round. After wiping the leaves and spraying the rice and aloe vera solution, I strain the charcoal and garlic mixture directly into the same jar containing the rice and aloe vera solution. I use a clean cloth filter to remove the residue, keeping only the clear liquid rich in valuable nutrients. Then, I add 500 milliliters of clean water into the jar and stir well so that all the nutrients blend completely. This creates a natural care solution that boosts the plant's immunity, strengthens roots, enhances leaf shine, and promotes vibrant blooms all year round. Step 3. Watering the Anthurium with the nutrient solution. I pour the charcoal, garlic, rice, and aloe vera solution into a kettle to make it easier to water the plant. Using a kettle helps me control the amount of solution more evenly and gently, preventing the growing medium from being disturbed. Then, I pour the entire solution over the Anthurium's growing medium. This solution nourishes the plant from roots to leaves, allowing it to absorb all the natural nutrients. Activated charcoal helps detoxify, kill bacteria, and improve soil aeration, creating a clean environment for root growth. Garlic contains strong antibacterial and antifungal compounds that protect the plant from harmful bacteria and root rot. After watering, I soak the entire pot in this solution for about 10 minutes to let the plant fully absorb the nutrients. Step 4. Gently drying and finishing care. I use a soft cotton cloth to gently wipe all the Anthurium leaves from top to bottom. Drying the leaves has many great benefits. It keeps them dry, prevents mold and rot, especially in humid environments. When the leaf surface is clean and dry, the plant absorbs light more effectively, making the leaves deeper green, thicker, and naturally glossy. A soft cotton cloth can gently remove dust or residue without scratching the leaves. Once the leaves are dry, the stomata function better, allowing the plant to exchange gases and absorb nutrients more efficiently. With simple natural ingredients like charcoal, garlic, rice, and aloe vera, we've created a golden nutrient that keeps Anthurium healthy, with bright roots, glossy leaves, and vibrant flowers all year round. A golden nutrient that keeps Anthurium healthy, with bright roots, glossy leaves, and vibrant flowers all year round. Where every leaf and flower is nurtured with love, patience, and simple joy from nature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to discover more natural, safe, and inspiring plant care tips with me. Your subscription and comments are the biggest motivation for me to keep spreading the love for green life to more people.